Hey guys, this just came from Amazon. I ordered it yesterday. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, but then for some reason they said it wasn't coming and it was coming today. So I got a notification on my phone that it arrived and I went out and got it. I'm working out down here in my gym and I was in between sets, so I ran up and grabbed it because it's kind of rainy out here. My porch is covered, but I just wanted to make sure it didn't get any torrential rain or anything on it because this is electrical. So what you do is it's the Sunlu 3D printing mate. It's a filler dryer. So you put your roll of filament in here, and you can actually leave it in there overnight, 24 hours, up to 24 hours, and it'll dry it. I think it goes up to 55 or 60 degrees Celsius, and you can dry your filament with it. So I was going to give printing with string trimmer line a shot, being it's nylon, 100% nylon, and it's very hygroscopic. So I was going to try and print with some of that and see how it goes, and see what's going on. So I'm going to do a better review on this, but I just wanted to show you that I got this from Amazon online, and it arrived today. So we'll go from there. All right, guys. Hey, thanks.